In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment on your Outlook calendar. Easy scheduling can really boost your productivity and help keep your day organized. So, whether you're new to Outlook or just need a quick refresher on setting up your appointments, you're in the right place. To start, let's open Outlook. Once you're in the application, look for and click on the calendar icon. This icon is generally found on the lower left side of your Outlook interface. It opens up your calendar view, which is essentially the hub for all your scheduled activities. Now let's move on to creating a new appointment. There are a couple of ways you can do this. The first method is quite straightforward. Simply double-click on a time slot in your calendar where you want the appointment to take place. Alternatively, if you prefer a more direct approach, click on New Appointment, which is typically found in the ribbon at the top of your window. Either method will bring up a new appointment window where you can start adding details. With the new appointment window open, it's time to enter the necessary details. Start by giving your appointment a title or subject. This should clearly indicate what the meeting or event is about. Though adding a location is optional, it can be particularly useful if you're meeting outside of your usual workspace or office. Next, set the start date and time, as well as the end date and time for your appointment. It's always good practice to double-check these to ensure accuracy. In the next section of the appointment window, you'll notice an area for notes or descriptions. This is a great place to add any additional information, such as an agenda, key points for discussion, or any documents you'll need to bring. Having all of these details at your fingertips during the meeting can save you time and keep you focused on your objectives. An important aspect of setting appointments is the reminder feature. Outlook allows you to choose from several reminder times, ranging from a pop-up 15 minutes before to a day in advance. Selecting a reminder time ensures that you'll be notified automatically before your appointment, giving you a chance to prepare or wrap up any prior engagements. Finally, once all the necessary information is filled out, the last step is to save your appointment. To do this, simply click on Save and Close. This will schedule your appointment on your Outlook calendar, sending any necessary invitations to other attendees if needed. And there you have it, a streamlined way to create appointments in Outlook. These steps should help you manage your time efficiently and keep your days running smoothly. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tutorials.